Hi everyone, here we've got LG G8X ThinQ, and let me show you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, let's get into the settings. Then let's scroll down to the very bottom and choose System. And here we've got Language and Keyboard, so let's tap on it. Let's click on Language, and as you can see here, we've got the list of previously added languages. If you want to add new ones, simply click on Add Language. And as you can see here, we've got the full list of available languages which we can use. So let me pick something, for example, this one. As you can see, it is immediately applied to the list. If you want to set it as a main language, then simply tap on it, hold, and drag it to the very first position. Now let's wait, and as you can see, it immediately changes the whole system language. If you want to get back to English, simply tap. Let's choose the English, let's tap on it, hold it, and drag it to the very first position. And it also is immediately changed. If you want to remove some languages, simply click on this delete icon, and let's tap on the one you want to remove. Click on remove again, and as you can see, it immediately disappears. So that's all. This is how to change system language in your LG G8X ThinQ. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.